Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos on your phone or computer. This gives you access to everything you want to share. Next, select the album or photos. You can long press or hold Shift to pick many at once. Once selected, tap the share icon and choose Create Link so Google generates a unique URL. This link is the lightweight way to share many files at once. It avoids large attachments and keeps the process fast and simple. Once the link exists, decide who should access it and why. You can let anyone with the link view the photos for broad sharing or invite specific people via email for more control. Make sure to set collaborator permissions only if you want recipients to add or remove content. Copy the link to your clipboard, then paste it into a message, email, or chat. This way, you control reach and keep recipients from downloading or editing unless you intentionally allow it. To finish, test the link by pasting it into an incognito tab or sending it to a different account. This confirms access and shows recipients exactly what you intend. If anything looks wrong, return to sharing settings to revoke the link or tighten permissions. If recipients report missing photos, make sure your device has finished syncing and that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes items are still uploading. These steps ensure your shared link works reliably and remains under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.